Hello everyone, I'm Sujata Dake from Bengaga College of Engineering and Management, Nagpur, from Department of Computer Science and Engineering. My subject is Database Management System. Content DBMS about ER model, example, components. Component is the entity attribute relationship. What is DBMS? DBMS, a database management system, is system software for creating and managing databases. The DBMS provides user and programmers with a systematic way to create, retrieve, update, and manage data. About ER model. Entity relationship model, also called ER model, and it is a high level model. This model is used to define the data elements and relationship for a specified system. It develops a conceptual design for the database. It also develops a very simple and easy to design view of data. In ER modeling, the database structure is portrayed as a diagram called as the entity relationship diagram. Example: student. Diamond is the name, address, ID, age. Component of ER diagram. ER model. The three classified. The first name is the entity. Second is the attribute, and third is the relations. Entity is mode of weak entity. Attribute is mode of key attributes, components attribute, multi-valued attribute, third derived attributes. Relations. First is the one-to-one relation. Second is the one-to-many. Third is the many-to-one, and fourth is the many-to-many. Entity. What is entity? Entity is an entity may be any object, class, person, or place. In the ER diagram, an entity can be represented as, for example, employee works for department. What is attribute? The attribute is used to describe the properties of an entity. For example, ID, age, contact number, name, etc. can be attributes of a student. Student, ID, phone number, name, and age. Relationship. A relationship is used to describe the relation between entities. Diamond shape is used to represent the relationship. There are two types. One is the strong relations and second is the weak relations. Strong relationship represented by a single diamond, where weak relationship represented by double diamond. Type of relationship. First is the one-to-one relationship. When only one instance of an entity is associated with the relationship, then it is known as one-to-one relationship. For example, a female can marry to one male and a male can marry to one female. Female, as a diagram explains, a female married to male. Second is the relationship one-to-many relationship. First is the when only one instance of the entity on the left and more than one instance of an entity on the right associated with the relationship. Then this is known as a one-to-many relationship. For example, scientists can invent many inventions, but the invention is done by the only specific scientist. Scientists invent inventions. Many-to-one relationship. When more than one instance of the entity on the left and only one instance of an entity on the right associated with the relationship, then it is known as the many-to-one relationship. For example, student enrolls for only one course, but a course can have many students. For example, student M enroll course. Last is the many-to-many relationship. When more than one instance of the entity on the left and more than one instance of an entity on the right to associate it with the relationship, then it is known as the many-to-many relationship. For example, employees can assign by many projects and project can have any many employees. Employees is assigned projects. Thank you.